This is your home section. Here is a tour I've created previously, 5 Purple Street, Miami. And now I'll show you how to create a new one. Start by giving your tour a name. One Lane Avenue, Brisbane, for example. And click on the Create Tour button. This will take you to the Editor page. Here is your tour name. You can edit this by clicking this button. Now your tour has been added to the home page. Any panoramas or information you add from now on will be automatically saved. You can access the home page by clicking on Back to Home. To continue editing the tour, click Edit. Now it's time to add your panoramas. Let's give the first one a name. This will be a living room, and it will be automatically assigned to the ground floor. Click to browse for photos, or simply drag and drop your photo here. To make your work easier, make sure to add a description to your photos before uploading them to the portal. Please remember, you must add a panorama name first in order to add photos. This is a very important step. Finally, click Upload Panorama, and you will see it on the left-hand side. Once you've uploaded the first one, upload another one by clicking Add New Panorama. Let's name it Bedroom. For training purposes, let's assume the room is on a different floor. To add a floor, click on the plus button. Create an additional floor name and assign the room to Floor 1. Drag and drop the photo the same as you did previously and click Upload Panorama. In this example, I've uploaded only 2 panoramas. However, you can upload up to 20 or 30 panoramas per tour, depending on your subscription.